Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you are doing well, and today I'm here with my new syllabus. As you know that our syllabus has been changed. So I just give you introduction of English syllabus, as you know, as an English teacher. So I will just start from lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, page number 50. It's chasing dreams, right? Now you must be thinking that why I'm not introducing the lesson number 1 and 2. So yeah, it's a question. I just want to tell you that lesson number 1 and 2 are same. The last sermon of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and the Shah Abdul Latif Pitai. And you can go through my previous video and you can watch. Okay. So are you ready? I hope that you are ready. Let's get started. Right. So now the title of this story is Chasing Dreams, as you can see in your screens, on your screens, right? Our brother in this story, a brother and a sister had a dream that they just wanted to become something. Now you must be thinking that what they wanted to become. This might be a doctor, engineer, constructor. Okay, let's get started. Right. So here is the explanation of this lesson, chasing dreams. So let's get a start from the first dialogue. First character is Jamil. That that he lived in the village. He lived in the village. He and his family. So you know that courtyard. We can say the center of the house. ठीक है. So वहाँ पे जो वो ये बैठे हुए थे, and he was just thinking, he was very worried about something. So when he was just walking and he just collapsed with the charpoy. It's an Indian word, we can say, also a Sindhi word as well, charpoy. चारपाई यानी कि जैसे कि we can say a bed. ठीक है. So उससे ये collapsed हो गए and then he just laid down on the चारपाई यानी कि bed, which was placed on the middle of the yard under the cool moonlit sky on that place, right? And on that place his father was also seated. That he just asked it, Jamil, you are looking so upset. Why? What happened? Everything is all right. Jamil said, yes father, everything is all right. Then after his father said, okay, is if there is everything is all right, then let's go for dinner. Here Auntie Sidori and mother, they both were the old family friend. They just cooked some meal for the dinner like that. They come out from the kitchen with the tray of food and jug of water, and then they all started eating. Everyone was talking and eating, but Jamil did not move because he was sad. And then Jamil's mother was noticing her noticing him, sorry, that why you are upset. Finally she asked from Jamil that why you are upset, you are looking so upset. Is there everything all right? um is there your result been announced? What grade did you get? Jamil said, mother, my result is very good. Even my sister Sarah has got more marks than me. Then after that mother said, why you are upset? And Sarah, here the Sarah also complained that brother, you did not inform me my result, as you know that I'm your younger sister and you have to inform me about my result. So Sarah became very happy. She said, wow, I got better marks than Jamil. Okay, so here he said that I'm worried about my future. And मतलब that वो सारा को यहाँ पे कह रहा था that Sarah, I'm worried about my future, and you know that you don't have to worry about your future because. And here Khalid interrupted. He said that why Sarah does not have to worry about the future. Then he explained that she is a girl and she does not have any responsibility as I have. Then Khalid said, no brother, you are wrong. Everyone has right mean that explained. He explained the saying of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, as our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that everyone has a right to get education, and education is obligatory to all the men and women. So here Jamil felt ashamed, and he said that yes, I agree, and I'm sorry for that. Then his father asked, now tell me the complete matter. What's the problem? Is this only the matter you are worried about your future? This is not the reason. He said, yes, father, you are right. I'm worried about that there is no any medical college in our village. And I want to become a doctor. And sister Sarah also wanted to become doctor. So, and there is a college, but it's 50 miles away from the city. So, and he said that, father, you remember that Uncle Sarmad had died because he could not be taken to hospital on time. And so, and for that reason, I just want to open the hospital in our village. So father said, yes, you are right. Then here Auntie Sadori was also there. Then she said that you both you both have to worry like that. Sorry that you are worried, but you don't have to take tension about that because I'm here, and you also support me in my past days. Now it's my turn. I will support you both, and I will give you place in my house. You can come and live in city in my house, okay, and you can get education. Sarah became very happy, said, wow, we can get education, right? But father said, only Jamil can go, and Sarah should stay here and help her mother. Here, and Sarah became sad again, okay? Because, and he just wiped her face, that she was crying, and she just doesn't want to show her emotions to her father to her father. So, but his elder brother Khalid has noticed that she is worried. So he just explained her father that you don't have to be worried about expensive. Everything will be all right, father. So Sarah became again happy, said, wow, now they are living in the city, and to meet their expensive both contributed a lot, and their family also suffered a lot. They sold their piece of land even, you know, because just because of Sarah and Jamil, that they just wanted to become doctor, and they just had a very very great dream about the villagers. So after 12 years, after 12 years, what happened? Finally, Jamil and Sarah became doctor. And they both had suffered a lot. Even they, during the medical college, during their study, they gave tuitions to children because they did not have had the chance to fail and to improve their exams, right? Because they did not afford papers, the failure papers, right? So after 12 years, they finally became doctor. And here Jamil was advising his patient that do not eat rice, potatoes and sugar because these are not hygienic for our health. So here he said yes. Here his patient says yes. Okay, doctor. And here is another character, Aladino. Is he was the assistant of Jamil. Then after because I'm just introducing Aladino. Why? Because Jamil asked him that is there any other patient from the Aladino, he asked. Then Aladino said no, there is no any patient. Then after he just went to Sarah's cabin and he said, okay, move on Sarah, and we have two other villages and we have to examine patients. After that Jamil मतलब that after examining the patients, उन पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करने के बाद जमील ने जो वो सारा को एक छोटी सी जीप में घर छोड़ दिया. तो here Sarah has two kids, and her two kids were waiting for her. Sarah also arranged and after that, after Sarah also arranged the seminar for village women because she just wanted to aware she just wanted to give them awareness about health and hygiene. Okay, Jamil was very happy for Sarah that yes, because she was her younger sister, and he was very happy that she is doing very well. Okay, so finally, Jamil's wife. Here is another character, Jamil's wife. So she was waiting at home, and her parents, sorry, his parents also waiting for her, for him, that when will Jamil come and we will have lunch. So finally he came and then said that now shall we start our lunch. Then he said, okay, so you are waiting for me, okay, let's get start, okay. So after they had a dinner, sorry, they had a lunch, and Jamil was sitting at last. He just lay on his charpai, you know, and in the middle of the yard under the cool moonlit sky, and he thought deeply about his journey, as he was remembering his past days also, and all the hardships that his sister Sarah and their family had borne to fulfill their dreams. And he was very blessed. He felt blessed of that he became doctor. He was thankful to his family, sister Sarah, and God. So okay, and I hope that this video was meaningful for you. And if there has any question, then you can view my description box. You will get answers of your all questions, and you can do comment. Please comment me, and I will upload more than more videos for that. And in next video, inshallah, I will share the video of the next lesson. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you Sam in the next video.